Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to talk about how you can use Jobber for landscaping and how the whole process works and what I recommend to do. Now in the moment when you're going to be in Jobber, what you're going to do is go to top right and go to first to settings and go to settings. Now what I recommend to do first is that you want to set up your own company, phone number, website URL, and you can have like the business hours, the tax settings if you have, the regional settings, all the important things, alright? And then you're going to have also the business profile. That I also recommend to check out, where you're going to have the about, policies, services, terms and conditions, privacy policy, and then you're going to go another thing where you're going to have the products and services. So with the product and services, you're going to have like the services that you can add that you are providing as a landscaper. Now what is important here is that these kind of services you can also add in a quotes or requests or jobs, is that you don't have to directly go to the settings. Now the next thing what you're going to find here are Jobber payments. So with Jobber payments, you can verify it and you can like connect it with your bank account. So in the moment someone is going to pay for the invoice, you will get actually like the money on your bank account. Now, the next thing also that I want to share with our requests and bookings. So if you have a website that you would like to have the form directly on on your site, and how it actually works, I just want to show you. You can have like service here or like the booking here, and then you can like have a form here that you can like copy, and let's say you're gonna like preview it, and this is how it looks like. They would like fill out the service details. You can check out the competition, how they have it, if you have it if you like it like they have it, and if they are successful you can get inspiration from it. And visible to client and customers, allow customers to submit requests online through Client Hub, your website, and on social media. And you can actually like embed it on your website where people would go, let's say through Google or something like that, and they could like fill it out, and then you would have them as a kind of like the client, or kind of like even the request for the booking. Right here, request, you would find it when someone is going to like fill it. So that's something that you can actually check out for yourself. Now, then when you're going to go further, you're going to find here the clients. So with the clients, in a moment you can like create your own client here, where you can add a first name, the last name, the company name, and also phone number, email address. Like these things are pretty straightforward with the property address. I'm not going to like dive deeper into it because it's pretty straightforward. I think you just like gonna save the client here. I want to show you something. So this is, for example, the booking link, and where person can like add here, like add, continue, and they will like add here the contact info. And I just want to show you. Okay, and I can like continue here. And look at that. So I have the time here that you can like set up, confirm appointment time, confirm booking. And this is kind of like what they could choose. And look at that. Now in the moment when I go to clients, I got it right here 1 minute ago. Do you see that? And automatically you could get like alert notification. Now in the moment when I go to requests, I have the request for right here that we created through it. And in a moment I can click here and I can like open it. And you can like create the request by yourself. But if you had it on your site, and I'm going to click here new request, so someone can actually like edit here, and you could have like service details here, like on-site assessments, product and service that you can add, and the notes. When you're gonna have the request, you just like add it here. Then what you can do is, I just want to show you. So let's say someone like is going to fill it out for us, and I'm going to convert it to quote. And that means is that you can use some kind of existing template you can draft for me, or you can create manually. So let's say I'm going to use this template that I have, and automatically we are in a quotes. So in a quotes, this is something that you can like save the quote, and this is something that you actually like offer to person. So let's say that you are cleaning your landscaping, I don't know, the gardens, and you have the standardized price, or you're going to check out like what they actually want to do, and you're going to set up the quote. And then you can like save the quote, like, okay, yeah, this is good, I'm going to save it. And now this is as a draft. So what I can do now is that I can send an email, and that means is that I'm going to send an email to the client that also have like requested. It's like, okay, the quote total is 1,400. You can also add an attachment here, and you can send a copy. So in the moment when you have it, then what you can do is that you can convert to job. Okay, so like the quote is approved, and that means I can convert it to job now. And in the moment when it's going to be converted in job, how it actually works is that you're going to have the one-off or recurring. So this is the job that we have. And now when is the start date, right? When is the start time? So let's say this is going to be 9 a.m. and we're going to have to 11 a.m. And we're not going to repeat. Remind me to invoice when I close the job, split into multiple invoices. You can do that. And you're going to have the product service that we actually had on a quote, right? And in the moment when we have that, I'm going to click here, save job. And in a save job, then you can like email booking confirmation. So this is something that, okay, we've added, I had like call with them, is that, okay, we would come to 18, okay, email booking information. Thanks for booking with us. And we're gonna have a location here and date and time, 9 a.m. Sincerely, okay, you can also add attachments if you want to. So this is something that I can have here, and then I can close the job. So, okay, when this is like the today, so you're going to find it also here in the jobs. And you can see right here today. So I'm going to open it. And now I can like more actions, close the job, completed one past visit. Okay. And now how's the whole process is that what you're going to do is you're going to create an invoice. So here in the invoicing, and what you're going to find here is that you can like invoice for Mark Corral, and you're going to have all the products and services. So the same thing, right? And look at that. So now what you can do is that if you have the payments here, you can like save and collect payments. So I can click save invoice, like this is good, what I like. And I can send the email. So in the moment when you are going to send an email, you have thank you for recent with us. The invoice total is 1,400. Okay, I can add an invoice and I can send the email. Okay. And in a moment, this is how it looks like. And then they can like fill the payment. What I recommend to do is like you want to test out the whole like process for yourself and see how it works. You can preview it as a client. You can download the PDF or print it. And that's pretty much for the invoices. Now you can also have options to add expenses. So let's say I'm going to have for example, the product and service and everything. You can have like expenses, new expense, right? An item name, reimburse, job, so you can add it to kind of like the handmade thing, and you can like edit the expense to the job directly within the app, and it looks very similar to the phone. So and you can have also the insights here, kind of like the data, and that's pretty much it, guys. So I just want to make this like very effective and quick video for you, what you can actually expect out of the tool as kind of the landscaping, and have a great day and goodbye.